In this video, I want to show you a very easy way to create page numbers according to Turabian style in Microsoft Word. I'm using Microsoft Word 2007, but whatever version you're using should basically use the same sort of principles. So these will be transferable to newer versions of Microsoft Word or older versions of Microsoft Word, or even versions of Microsoft Word on different operating systems like the Mac. So to begin simply, what we have to do is we have to have the page number in a different location on the first page of a chapter than we do on every other page of the chapter. And this is very simply done. What I do is I scroll down to the second page of the chapter and I click my cursor somewhere towards the top of the second page of the chapter, just so I have myself located. And I come up here to the ribbon menu that Microsoft Word has. And there is an insert ribbon here that I can click on, this insert ribbon. And I roll the mouse over to a place or a little icon that says insert page number. Very simply, I just click on this insert page number and I move my mouse down where there's this kind of sort of roll over menu, and I have my mouse over top of the page, because for the second page on in a chapter or a section, what you want to do is you want to have the page number at the top of the page, either in the top right hand corner of the paper or in the center of the paper, depending on the particular style guide that you're looking at. But for my purposes today, I'm going to go into the top right corner. I think this is pretty standard here, and simply insert a page number like so. Now you'll notice that the page number 2 has appeared here on the second page, and it has likewise appeared here in the top corner of the first page. We do not want it to be located here on the first page, and I'm going to show you how to fix that in just a moment. But one thing you should also notice is that the page number is a little too high on the page for Turabian style. And what you want to do is a pretty simple fix. You just come up to this header and footer ribbon that has shown up when we inserted the page number, and there's a little tab here that says Design. There's a little box here that has Position, header from the top and header from the bottom, and this is where you adjust the header and the footer to its proper place. And the header should be the header where the page number begins. The header should start at 1 inch. So I'm just going to adjust that, and I'm going to go ahead right now and do the same for the bottom. The header and the footer should both be at 1 inch. 1 inch from the top and 1 inch from the bottom. Now sometimes what you'll notice is that puts the 2 in a place where it actually cuts into the line of text. So what we always want to do is ensure that the 2 is not sitting right on the text, or the number is not sitting right on the text, but what we want to do is ensure that there is a line between the text and the number. So I'm going to go ahead and insert one paragraph marker here. Now notice again, we still have this page number showing up on the first page that we don't want. This is a very easy fix. I'm going to come all the way up here to my header and footer tools, and I'm going to click on this box, this checkbox that says Different First Page. Different First Page. And notice that it is checked, and now that number is now gone from the first page. And you'll notice when you scroll up from the header of the second page to the footer of the first page, there's a little box here that says First Page Footer, indicating that it's different from the footer on the other pages. I simply come here to the first page footer and I center the paragraph. I'm going to go ahead and use the shortcut Control-E to center the paragraph. And then what I want to do is I want to come back up to this header and footer tool and simply insert a page number like before, but instead of going to the top of the page, I'm going to go to the bottom of the page and click on plane number 2, the bottom center number. And instead of having a line after the page number, because we want the page number to be precisely 1 inch from the bottom, I'm going to delete that paragraph marker there. And now I'm done. I have page numbers in just the right place where they should be on every page of the document. It's that simple.